All right, guys. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Bluetti Elite 30 V2. This is a smaller power station, and well, at least smaller than compared to the other ones I've reviewed from Bluetti, which is one of them is the EB55, which is about twice the size of this, and then the AC300 plus the B300 battery, which is a much bigger one that I currently use as a backup power station. So they've sent me this in a green color, which I've requested. They have a bunch of different colors. You can check it out on their website, which I'll likely link in the description, but I just want to unbox this one, and then I'll do a separate review video going into the features. So this is new to me. I haven't done this. It's been a few years since I posted my channel. So yeah, I'm excited that they even sent me this, and I'm really pumped to just check it out and get initial looks. So I'll just go ahead and unbox it for you guys. I don't know what that is. All right. So we have another box. Elite 30 V2 portable power station. I believe this one's 288 watt hours. You can see that they have different voltages for depending on the country you're in. US, so 120 volt AC. Obviously, they develop these with other countries in mind. So depending on where you live, they will produce it according to your AC voltage. All right. So this is the first thing that comes in here. And what they give you here is a car charger. This is, I don't know, it's a T something. I don't know the exact name of this exact charger, but I've seen this with the EB55 power station. And you just put it into your car charger if you want to charge it via the car. Cool. And then we have the AC charger, which looks to be direct. There's no like almost like a little power bank looking thing that you have to connect to. It's a direct charge, which is unique. I don't think I've seen this in any other one that I've used besides the larger AC300 I have. So this is cool. We'll see how fast that charges in the review. What else do we have? A couple booklets here. Assuming one of them's the manual and one of them's the warranty. Yeah, we have the warranty here. Fill out. Yep. And then we have the user manual, which is digitally available on their website, of course. And then some different languages as well. Cool. Okay, now let's see what it looks like. Cool. I've never had it in a color like this before. I've always had it in whatever color it comes in, usually black. Let me see here. There we go. And I asked my wife what color she wanted since I had a choice. Bluetti sent this to me, so I chose green. She chose green, and I agreed. And that looks pretty cool. All right. There's it's where you charge from AC, from that cord. Don't know what that is. It might be a grounding outlet or something. At the back, just give you some stats. The vent, back to the front again. I'll turn it on, see where it's at. Pretty low charge. I'll have to charge this tonight, but you get a pretty good screen here. I saw it when it booted up. It had a lot of different icons, depending on if it's an error or other sort of thing. But this is pretty cool. You see, it's in eco mode right now. But yeah, going from this, we have the DC PV input. This is the yellow charger. So that's where you do the car charger or from solar. It's very overlooked, but these little covers help a lot, especially if you use these power stations a lot. If you're using them anywhere, like anywhere where there's like sand or wilderness, having the covers is really key, so it doesn't get in the ports. The DC cover, which is obviously the biggest gap, is covered, which is great. Two 12-volt, 8-amp outlets there for DC. Okay, and then we have, let's see. Okay, so if you want to turn the DC on, got that. AC, same idea. All right, we have some USBs here. 140 watt USB-C, which I've never seen before. The most I've seen is 100. That's really cool. 15 watt USB-A's. 100 watt USB-C here. Pure sine wave, which is really good, versus modified sine wave, which they wouldn't tell you that if they had modified sine wave. Pure sine wave just means it's going to be a cleaner connection. All right, and then we have up to 600 watts of output from the AC ports for the US version. The AC input I'm excited to try out because it looks like it's going to be a very fast charging system. 10 amp hours. It has a fuse and then 250 volts AC. So I don't understand that. It looks like it could charge from 250 volts, which is pretty wild. Then you have a carrying handle on the back. And like, for this power station, it's not going to be lightweight, but it's going to be light compared to other like actual power stations, not power banks. Like I can carry it with my hand, but it's not like the easiest thing to carry. Don't know how much exactly this weighs, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'm excited to review it, test it out, see how it works. I love Bluetti products, but obviously like there won't be like bias because I've reviewed so many of these before. So yeah, stick around for the review if you're interested. But yeah, from the looks of it, looks pretty cool. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the review.